Hello, y'all. I'm back on the milling project. Drilling machine project. This is what I've been working on. I made a video about the pulley. You can see it here. The shaft I made. I stuck the shaft in, welded it, I tacked it in about 4 places. Not really important that it just don't need to come out, It's not really doing anything other than spinning in the bearings. So, bearing housing I made. This was 1.25" black pipe. I'd done a little research back several months ago, and I was looking through different things that would be the right size, and I found out black pipe has 2 or 3 inside diameters that's pretty close to bearing sizes. 1.25" fell right into the 1 3/8 bearings. In the inside diameter of the black pipe, let me make this clear, is a little more. It's a few thousandths more than 1 3/8. It's closer to, well, it's in between 1 3/8 and 1 7/16, which the bearings I buy, I found them on eBay. They're whatever the inside shaft side is, and the outside of the bearing is 1 3/8. The 1.25" black pipe, I take it, I put a small split in it, put the bearings in it, squeeze it back together, then weld it, and it makes really good bearing housing for something simple like this. I mean, you wouldn't want to put a lot of pressure on it. Of course, they're small bearings, but the pulley sits here. Of course, that's a 2x1/4 plate. I had a piece of 3/4 cold roll, so I cut out a piece. I drilled out this piece to a 3/8. Then I turned down a piece of it to fit up inside here, the 3/8. So I've got a 3/4 to 3/8 shaft with a 3/4 to 3/8 bushing sitting over it, basically. I had a thrust bearing. I went ahead and put it in there. I was just going to put a washer, but I had a few of the thrust bearings laying here, and I thought, why not? It'd make it even smoother. This plate is going to mount here, which will align with this pulley and this pulley. I've got 2 belts. When I get it together, I'm going to turn the camera back on, but I can't hold the camera and do what I've got to do. But you'll see it when I get it mounted. No, it ain't quite like the new one. My camera cut off. I thought I'd have to just bring it back up and finish out what I was going to say. No, the one I repaired is not as good as the one in the back. It's got a little wobble to it, but it'll be alright. I'll eventually get the one like in the back, and I'll change it out, but I had to have something to work with while I was building this thing. I'm tickled to death to see it running. Y'all come back to the garage and see us again.